I've made this link tree so it's easier for you guys to get into contact with me. If you want to find out more about the course, it's over on my Buy Me a Beer. If you want to simply get into contact with me, it's over on my crypto Twitter or my crypto Instagram. How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to Louis Crypto, where we talk about cryptos every weekday. We're going to be discussing Quant and how it actually dumped to $119 exactly as we predicted without even using the fibs. Then we placed the fibs yesterday and it said we're going to come back down to 119. After coming back down to 119 over here, it seems that we are bouncing, and again what we need to see is a reclaim of $124 and $125, but closing daily candles above it. Now we did do that over here, but I was simply saying that all we're doing after meeting my $106 target exactly on the 786 fib, that we will be returning up to $131. Please understand that this is a resistance. It was the neckline that we lost, which sent us down to 106. So now that we met the target at 106, we usually reverse, and we reverse to where we just came from. But understand that when we lost it, it sent us down. So when we get back up to it again, we should get sent down. Will we get sent down lower than 106? Or will the push from here, will the suppression, the bearish pressure from here push us lower than this? Or actually fail to do so? Are we just coming back down to this golden pocket and holding its support? This is what we were saying in yesterday's update. Please understand. Now I'm going to add the fibs. After having this big rally, we need to retrace, and we came back down to $119 over here on the 0.5 fib. You can come to $115. My mistake, guys, sorry. You can come down to $115 over here, but all this is signaling this is your golden pocket. We need to come back down, retrace to this before continuing pushing through 131. So it's actually, you need to understand, as a bull, you need to reject this. Come back down, reset. We can still come lower, guys. Please understand this. 0618, 116, but we were using 115. So we can't lose 115. Again, just because we're pumping up and we're currently above 124 doesn't mean we're going to close there. Again, this could just be a wick forming. We close below there, that's signaling to continue lower towards $115. That will need to hold a support to have another go at this red box and another go at this green line. Guys, we're still in a bear market for Quant as long as we're underneath $150 to $160. And with this rally up over here, I said we could actually go a little bit higher to 190, and it's still going to be a dead cat bounce where we return back to this low. And we've done that. We've had our dead cat bounce, which stopped exactly at our golden pocket or our bear market box before coming back down, meeting our technical target of the dead cat bounce. Now, yes, there are further targets lower, but only when the criteria is met. You need to lose $100, and we only went down to 106. And only when you lose this green line over here, 100, then we can start looking at 70s to 80s and 40s to 50s down here. But this is not going to happen as long as we're above 100. And we're at 125 right now. So this is not the case that we're going to go lower. So right now, all a dead cat bounce means is that you're going to have this rally that fails to make a higher high, and then it fails. Boom, fails. And now we've reset the market, retracing back down to here. You don't have to come all the way back down, but that's where we're trying to get down to. We came off the 786 fib. We've reclaimed the golden pocket. Now we're just coming back in to hold it as support, to have another go at this descending triangle's yellow downtrend line, as well as this bear market box over here. Only once Quant is eventually through this, I can flip it into a bull market box, and we're onwards and upwards towards $250, $260. But until then, I'm going to prepare you for the bearish side. And that's why only when you lose $100 are we going down there. And just because the target is 45, once you lose 100, which we're yet to do, please understand, I'm not saying we're going to 45, I'm not saying we're going to 50, I'm not saying we're going to 70, I'm not saying we're going to 80. I'm saying we are going there if and only if you lose $100. I'm so sorry I have to say it like that, guys, but it doesn't get into a lot of people's heads, unfortunately. And all we need to do, I'm going to measure from this top now, which I haven't done yet with you guys. Boom. Golden pocket. Actually, I did do it in the last video. Boom, golden pocket, 131, 138. Literally the level of resistance that we were calling for. So if we can actually push through this, confirm 131 as support, which we were just saying, this is going to allow us to return to 160, which is our bear market box. And only when we get through our bear market box do we go to 250. Let's see what the targets here are saying. Boom, 250. So you see, we're getting so much confidence. I don't even need the fibs to tell me this. The fibs are just giving me further proof, further confidence, further confirmation that this is the case. That what my beliefs are, how I'm coming to these conclusions, are true. We just have certain criteria that need to be held, like hold $100. Hold $100, you're not going down. So if that means if you hold $100 and we're not going down, what does that mean? That means we're going up. So there's only two ways about it, guys. So if Louis says lose 100 and you don't lose it, and Louis says if you lose 100 you're going down and it doesn't lose it, then what are you doing? There's only one other option. You're going up, but up to where? The next level of resistance, $131. Over here, we've run into it now. This is resistance. I expect a dump from here. We've dumped. Dump to where? Dump to the golden pocket. Where did we dump to? To the golden pocket. Now this needs to hold as support. If it doesn't, we prepare for the reversal wave where we'd return back down to 100. And if we lose 100, then we got targets down at 70, 80, 40 and 50. But if we don't lose 100, this is not the case. And all you're doing is retracing, holding this as support to have another go at 131, to then have a go at coming back up to 160, to then have a go at going to 250. Thank you guys for tuning in. If you want me to teach you this step by step, I have a 10-hour long one-to-one mentorship plan. I will sit with you for 10 hours long, over 10 sessions that are 1 hour long, until you get this. You have all the notes you need to become a self-sufficient trader. Don't think, oh yeah, after 10 hours of work, I'm a trader. No, you have all the things you need to become a trader. But it doesn't mean, oh, I've done the mentorship, I'm a trader. No, this is why only 3% actually do, or 3 to 5% actually do end up becoming successful and self-sufficient traders, where they don't need anyone's guidance. They can do it all by themselves and read the chart and read the markets all by themselves. Well, to help all of you, I've got a Discord community chat. So you're not by yourself. You got me to ask questions and you got the rest of the community that have all the same information as me. And if you join, you have the same information as me and them. So if you want to take action today, again, you do get a 6-hour long video pre-recorded course included with that 10 hours of sessions with me, as well as the Discord chat. You can hit me up on my link tree. That's in the top right corner, the information button. It should say contact me at courses underneath the video in the description, and the comment section pinned right at the top of the comment section. There's my link tree where you can head over to my Instagram or Twitter and take action on those courses. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Please do like, subscribe and comment, and I'll catch you in the next quant update. Thank you. There's a link tree in the comment section or the description down below, or even in the top right corner. You can just click it over here somewhere, and yeah, it can take you to my crypto Twitter, Instagram, where you can private message me. If you want to actually just take action on the course or the mentorship without talking to me, head over to my Buy Me a Bit. Now, I'll bring up a page looking like this. You can even get one single mentorship session anyway, but all the details that you need here, you get 10 sessions, and here you get 30 plus videos, 6-hour course, and yeah, all the information you need is over here.